On April 20th, 2010, we were working on the BP oil rig in the Gulf of Mexico when it suddenly blew up. We lost 11 of our workers and 17 were injured on this day. The Deepwater Horizon spill is the largest marine oil spill in world history.
Natural gas was blasted through a concrete core that was supposed to be used to cover the well so it could be used in the future. But the core was too weak to go against the power of the natural gas.
The Deepwater Horizon oil spill had many effects on human health, animals, and the ecosystem. First of all, the spill had many effects on human health that can last for several years. Some of the effects were shortness of breath, headaches, skin rash, chronic cough, weakness, dizzy spells, painful joints, and chest pain. According to research, when workers were seen in a 7-year follow-up, they still had symptoms from the spill. They also reported that they had experienced hematological, hepatic, pulmonary, and cardiac problems.
The Gulf of Mexico is home to a variety of dolphins, whales, and fish and sea turtles. All of these animals suffered from health issues from the spills. The toxins entered their body as they either inhaled, ingested, or was covered by the oil. They suffered from loss of mobility, which decreased their ability to evade predators. It also killed many animals, reduced their ability to reproduce, and damaged vital organs. According to NOAA scientists, bottlenose dolphins' survival and reproduction rate reduced by 50%.
The oil spill contaminated the ecosystem that is home to 22 species of animals. The Gulf of Mexico is also home to 5 species of sea turtles that happen to be under the Endangered Species Act. Up to 20% of the juvenile Kemp's Ridley sea turtles died due to the oil. The spill ruined the habitat that sea turtles need to be able to reproduce, feed, migrate, and survive in.
One main cause of this oil spill was due to the amount of shortcuts BP took in order to complete the oil rig on time. The rig was running many weeks behind schedule and was over the budget. More causes were poor risk management, bad decision making, failing to be aware of critical indicators, and insufficient training from the drilling company.
One solution to prevent this spill from happening is to enforce stricter standards at the oil rig. For example, people should be constantly checking and testing that everything on the oil rig is working properly. In addition, there needs to be a working blowout preventer and other backup procedures on every oil rig. Another solution would be to use barriers to clean up the spill. This prevents the oil from spreading even more, and the oil can create a thin, slick layer on the surface of the water, making it easier for the workers to clean it up. The workers usually use a skimmer boat to gather the oil.